understand ownership of their learnings, which they can use to level up their future. Let me first say thank you to my school division superintendents and their assistant school division superintendents, and of course their staff. Personally, I would not ask for more when I visited all your schools, if not in preparation for our face-to-face. Alam po ninyo, hindi ko naman po ito kakayang sabihin. Ako po ay nanggaling sa ibang reyon at ako po ay na-assign din sa ibang reyon. So far, the best schools are in Limaropa. Sabi ko nga po, bakit summertime maayos ang paaralan? Bakit walang pasok na more than 1 year, malilinis ang silid paaralan? Wala po akong nakitang nalikabo, wala po akong nakitang namatay na halaman. Ibig sabihin,